Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening to everyone. My name Muhammad IQHWAN bin ADNAN from DCN 2A.
My name is ABDUL bin MOHAMMAD from DCN 2A. So today I would like to show the tutorial how to set up IIS web page on the Windows Server 2012 and how to install FTP server.
Okay guys, before we start, we need to open the VirtualBox and then go to the server. Okay, the first thing that we need to do is open the server manager. Okay, at the server manager, we go to the manage. As you can see in the list, we can click at role and features. Okay, after click this, just click next, next, and next. Okay, at the server role, we need to select the DNS server. Okay, add the features. Alright, continue. Okay, go to the bottom. Okay, before that, I forgot to tell to you that we need to join the domain first. That's why we need to. That's why because to join the domain can easily to help us to connect from host to the server. We go to the local server and then go to Ethernet. Go to the properties. Internet Protocol version 4, and then we go to command prompt, ipconfig. Okay, we use the IPv4 IP address 192.169. Oh sorry, 168.42.228. Alright. Okay, just click OK. Okay. 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 Now we go back to the add role and features, and then we also need to tick at web server IIS add feature. Okay, click next. You don't need to do anything here. Click next. Click next. Click next. Okay, at the role service, we need to tick at the HTTP redirection and web DAV publishing. Okay, go to the downward FTP server and FTP extensibility. Okay, next. Okay, at this part, we have choice whether we want to restart or not our server, and then it's better we restart the server. It's because it maybe give the server work smoothly, and just wait until the role and features install. Okay guys, our role and features has been successfully installed at our server. Okay, close. Okay, next we go to the computer management and then go to the local user and group. Right click and then add a user. We need to use FTP user and then we need to use a very secure password. Okay, just create it. Close it. Okay, click at the FTP user. No. Okay, go back to the IIS, sorry.
So now we need to configure the IIS. So just right click on the Win8U9, click Internet Information Services, and then click on this, do not show the message, and click no. Just a pop-up that appear in our works and at the site. We right click on the sites and add websites. I would like to use my website names halimj.com, and for the physical part I will go to the local disk C and create on the inet pub and make the folder, rename it as halimj, and then click OK. Then I will assign the IP with my IP address 192.168.42.20.228. Hostname I use www.halimj.com and then click OK. I right click on halimj.com. We click explore. At here I will show to you some simple coding for the HTML. So just need to create a new text file and create some coding. This coding I've learned from the internet before. And click on file and save as on the file inetpub and halimj. Rename it as halimj.html. Change the format to the all files and click save. You can close this and you can delete this new text document. So now go to halimj and click on the default documentation and click add. We add the file that we create before, halimj.html, and click OK. Return and go to the directory browsing, click enable. So now let's go to the DNS. This is DNS is we need to use to create a FQDN, fully qualified domain name. And go to DNS manager, click win and new zone. You can add new zone by clicking new zone and click next and next. I used to type the halimj.com also. It's easy for me to remember. And then next, click next, choose allow box non secure, click next and then finish. After finish, double click on halimj.com, right click and click on new host A. This host is your computer name. Yeah, let's double check. WIN dash 8U9 JT 5 QHRIB. IP address is, let's check it. CMD IP config. Okay, 192.168.42.228. Then click add host. Click OK and done. After that, we create a alias name. Type the www for the qualified domain name and browse the folder that we created before at the HALIM J, and just click OK at the alias name. So let's try if it can be browsed. I hope it can be browsing. Now it's successful to access my FQDN, fully qualified domain name. So now let's move to the client. I use my client is Windows 7 at my computer, and then before that I would like to create for the FTP user FTP server at the IIS. Right click on the site, add FTP site, and then my FTP site is FTP user. Then physical paths, I just use the HALIM J at inetpub. And click OK and next. I don't want to assign any IP address. Just click no SSL, and then just click next. Basic, I choose basic for this, and specify user, choose FTP user. Then click read and write. Click finish. After that, go to the local disk C, and then click inetpub. Right click on HALIM J properties and edit the security. Add the FTP user that we created before. Check name. Now it's available. Click OK, and at down we click right and click apply. Click OK and OK, and then we can go to the my client, that which is Windows 7, and click on the FileZilla. Click on the left. Click on the left top.
Okay, next we click on the top of the FileZilla, and then we go to the new site, and then make it HALIM J, and then go. Okay, for the host we use the recent IP 192.168.42.228. Okay, we use port 21. Okay, for the encryption we use only use plain FTP insecure. Log on type we use the normal type. For user we use the FTP user. Okay, we change the password, very secret password. Okay, then we save the password. Alright, Okay, next. The directory listening of the server has been successful. Connect with the server. Okay, now let's try download. Okay, and then we right click and then press download. Okay, this is occur from the client PC, and then they want to download from the server. Okay, okay, click download. Wait for a while. Okay, as we can see, the HALIM.html has been successful transferred to the client PC. Okay, as a client, we also can upload or send the file to the server. Just click and drop at the server. Okay, as we can see, the data has been successful received at the server. The data is end user, and then we can see at the bottom the successful transfer is two. The first one is the from server to client, and the second one from the client to server. This is for the open web server, from the client to the server. Okay, as you see, this is the function of FQDN. Just click enter. Okay. Okay guys, as we can see, the host cannot be reached because we need to set up at the client DNS. Okay, we go to control panel, and then go to network and internet. Network sharing, locate area, and then go to properties, IPv4. Okay, click, and then use the following DNS server address.
And then we fill the preferred DNS server with our Windows Server IP address 192.168.42.228, and then click OK. Click OK also. Okay, let's try. Let's refresh the web server.
Okay.
As you can see, my client Windows 7 can access the Windows Server web page. So it's successful.
Okay, that's all from us. We hope that you can learn more from our video and can improve it.
And my name is ABDUL bin Muhammad.
And my name is MOHAMMAD. And our lecturer, Sazrul Hafiz. Thank you and enjoy your video.